Today we're making Peking duck burritos, yes. So all I've got here is the beautiful Luv-a-Duck Peking duck breast, 190 degrees in the oven for 15 minutes, and then you get the most gorgeous Peking duck. And then we're gonna slice up our beautiful duck. Now the fun part, to build our burritos. Now we've got some tortillas or some wraps, you can use whatever you want. And I've just slightly warmed them up. Then we're gonna hit our tortillas with some Kewpie mayo. We'll spoon some of our rice onto our burrito. And then we have some black beans. We'll get a good sprinkle of kimchi on there. Now the real star of the show, our Luv-a-Duck Peking duck breast. And then some spring onion that we've just finely sliced. Now the difficult part, we've got to roll this huge burrito up, fold in the ends. You've got to be confident here, the other end. Now trying to keep it all in there. Roll, roll, roll. Beautiful. Have a look at that. You've got the rice, you've got the black beans, you've got the Kewpie, you've got the Peking duck breast, the spring onion, the kimchi. I mean, less talk, I'm going in.